Trying to automate text editing tasks and stumbled across a UFM file? This is a macro file from a popular professional text editor. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open and use these UltraEdit macro files. The simplest approach is coming. We will talk about a powerful third-party UFM file inspection utility that extends its support to hundreds of different file types. UFM files are macro files created by UltraEdit, a professional text and code editor. They contain recorded or scripted sequences of editing commands, keyboard shortcuts, and search-replace operations for automating repetitive text manipulation tasks within UltraEdit. UFM files use UltraEdit's proprietary macro language storing command sequences with parameters for cursor movement, text insertion, clipboard operations, regex, find, replace, and conditional logic. The text-based format allows manual editing of macro logic in any text editor. Technically, the best program for UFM is usually UltraEdit from IDM Computer Solutions. To view all media streams, the file must be opened in a dedicated container program. Windows cannot interpret symbolic or nested configuration structures fully, so careful editing is necessary. Open the menu by right-clicking your UFM file and choosing Open With. Test UltraEdit if it's there. If it's absent, select another application. Different apps handle the UFM file differently. If the UFM file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. Let's change direction. The failure confirms a hidden issue. Run through these 3 rapid diagnostic checks with me right now. First, loading in UltraEdit. Open UltraEdit and use macro. Then load to import the UFM file into your macro library. Once loaded, the macro appears in the macro list, ready for execution. Assign hotkeys for frequently used macros to streamline your editing workflow. Next, editing macro code. Open the UFM file directly in UltraEdit or any text editor to view and modify the macro commands. The script syntax is documented in UltraEdit's help files. Edit commands carefully, then save and reload the macro in UltraEdit to test the changes. Finally, running the macro. After loading the UFM macro, select it from the macro list and click play or use the assigned hotkey. The macro executes commands sequentially across the open document. Use macro, then play multiple times to run macros in batch over selected lines or files. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.